Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to enable automatic backup on the StarNote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You go to the left side of the screen and you can find the first three icon, and click to the second, the settings. And in the local backup section you can find the automatic backup option, and if you want to turn on, just click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned turquoise, this function will be enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.